ain't no telling who might be the one who's gonna help you next. When the hustling